Okay, and thank you, Michelle Mesa, for laundry. Look at that.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Mesa.
Laundry and shower. I have all my socks clean. Yay. We have more laundry here, dry in the sun of Agua Dulce. The really cool shower. The really cold, no, the really hot shower. This is part of the Serenity Oasis. This is Farmer John. He is the one creator and responsible for this paradise.
Don't blame me if you spend a zero here. It's not my fault.
This is our little tent. Serenity's Oasis. Really cool place. They even have a log for me to practice crossing the creeks. Thank you, Michelle Mesa. I love you.